Eje Nensoko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.
No mwaka w'ekiri bubere mirongo ebere na isano ne mukuru gasobo gatagati b'umucyo Nairobi asense ya Kenya cyenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi haseri baga ya Kelvin na Barnabas kurwase studio ya kabera bawo kigonkonya otkobwara kwana kyamaro bine kibica ngugo kirara senkirirengia togosabiro karanso ikobene ntukurubono oika omwerio mesema yakuru ensoko chinsa isato achakire bona Karibu sana mwanchumu rigariya bona butkobwara senchira ya bene tugochaka na robot rokobwatia somora ibwensi ya Kenya William Ruto igachakira senchira ya bene hitaro ya magendro ya matuka atatu ase orogongo rwagusi ase ritko ria rero hanyara ko bakagwikirana ase getige chigosori kya gusi habwase achakire obwagachi usasabe karigana ryo musingire gochakone kyo obwagachi bwegetie kigukinirwa gwika ebirengo ase birache gutumeka chiringi a billion emo na igokobeka egetie kyo kobegati ya biri ebiti ense ya Kenya hirache gutumeka ase chigosori au muri kito wikili forenge nwarenga sayo orobotirwa ya senchero wikero
na segeti kya Gusii Stadium abu asomora ibwensi ya Kenya muskewina msamoi Ruto amana bara ibande kurwa sarongo ragusi bachaka bene etaro ya matukate to yokorotota na bago chakya magendro au imeyoro gongorwo abu asacha kirabene obwaga chubo yabugeti kya Gusii Stadium riko chikobegeti kanene kiko chakobogori abanta bange na boygo gosira chikosori au obwaga chubo no nigo bochi kuira chiringe bilioni yemo na ende kuira emitingi 5 mo kwa gachwa
inasema hii kiwanja ndani ya miezi 9 hiyo imekamilika. Wa ASK tumewapatia shamba kule kwingine, na mimi nataka nimshukuru huyu gavana Simba Paulo Arati kwa kusaidia mpaka leo tumesafirisha wale watu wa ASK wamekubali kwenda kule kwingine, ndio hapa kiwanja hii na kiwanja ya ASK show hapa nyuma ndio tuweze kutengeneza uwanja wa kimataifa
asenkwana ya yomora ibwensi ya Kenya umuske William Samoei Ruto ni goro kyo magokoye gochia aso kwareganirwa ase county ya Kisii abo asasingera buna ni garache kwene kebuna orogongo rwa gusarorwa ngo igoro rebuya aso burai gwetera samagenderero Gavana Simba Ratinere asensemo yaye nigo amwarigana muri ibwensi ya Kenya miyoro ngurwa gusi nakobeka bene buna nigo barachikwene kya mbunango karabare kiri bakonyara kabara nabisi asentunde ya kabere wasamanyi be county ya Kisii nili ya Nyamira babolwa kubasira asenchira ya bene.
Tunashukuru sana Mheshimiwa Rais, karibu hiyo uwanja yote, na nataka kwamba kwa sababu najua kwamba utakutana na watu wetu hapa Kisii, unakaribishwa. Najua kesho huko Nyamira utakuja Kisii, kuna mambo kidogo nitaomba wewe. Nataka nishukuru kwa barabara kilomita 5 mlipa Nyanjwa hapa. Nishukuru kwa sababu ya soko ya daraja 2 ambaye pia umenipa milioni 1. Nataka nikushukuru kwa sababu ya Nyambera milioni 400. Mheshimiwa Rais, tutatembea pamoja. Nasema kwamba kutoka leo sisi tunaomba ndugu zetu wale ambao ni maazimu wetu, kama wewe unataka kufanya mkutano, wewe fanya mkutano wako kule. Sisi watu kila tumbili akaya na mkia yake kwa raha yake. Sisi tukisema ni tunakaa kwa raha yetu ya vidole mbili, tukae kwa vidole mbili. Lakini hapa Kisii mnasemaje? Mnasemaje? Mheshimiwa, sio wewe peke yako, hata mimi nataka tamu yako bwana.
Bonetare yuyo murai bwensi ya Kenya nigo erache kwira matukane imeyero ngurausi abwa sara onchokana na chinsemo chichibunge cha gusi chionsi meakisi amoneri ya Nyamira amaisonsi bono nigo ale asemerobelio ya magenderero ayo arache kwena kigwa imeyero ngoruo inguripotera Nsoko TV kurwaso katikati wa Muchibo Songe county ya Kisii Retariane Wycliffe Orenge.
Bwana Murikito Wycliffe Orenge na roboti rwa senchira yobo ikerno mwancho murigari togosuka bosio umawesoma na se wizara yobo chanu Mary Mbudhoni mujumbe bwensemo ibunge West Mugirango Mheshimiwa Steve Mogaka niwe mambia lero batarira chinsemo ao echumura bwense William Ruto arachekwane kya gutarira litkoria ankyo igati yabo chinyumba cy'uburaro Nyamira KMTC igati ya chire William Ruto arachekwane kya okwigoro kwabo nubwaga chibwaye nabo igo chi hostel cyaborkiwa abo bare 153 nigo bono ha mwarigania use arigandire abagusibonsi kwane kya ngwesoke bare litkoria ankyo eriko mwarigania senchira ben.
It is actually happening, and across the country the government is going to construct more than 57 hostels for KMTC students, because we do not want our KMTC students to have problems when they get to good facilities for learning. We have the skills lab, but we do not have accommodation for them. Again, that sense of mental comfort is very, very important for any student who is in school. So we are happy that KMTC is going to enjoy the new hostels, and especially here in Nyamira County. This is one of the flagship projects that His Excellency William Samoei Ruto has started in this country. Issues of infrastructure and housing being part of the agenda of the bottom-up economic transformation. A construction here will see an increase with students from around here. It will also see an increase in terms of shared amenities, amenities like shopping mat, lighting, and we also have a very ambitious project around the last mile for electrification. So Nyamira people, umebarikiwa sana sana. And here Mheshimiwa, very hard-working Mheshimiwa. I don't think this would have happened if we did not have the coordination between my State Department and the Member of Parliament for this area, and of course His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya.
I just want to thank His Excellency the President and the Ministry of Health, particularly PS Mbudhoni, for coordinating and accepting our proposal to be among the top layer beneficiaries of the development of housing for our students at the KMTC. We really are focused that West Mugirango, being on the first lane, we must be the first beneficiary in everything that the government is bringing as a program. As you're aware, this hostel will house 580 students, and we are now prepared to lobby government and Madam PS, when you see that, kindly receive it favorably, because we want a modern tuition and administration block for this college. Because you are aware we are land constrained in Nyamira, and the only way to take advantage of the little space that we have is to go skyward. And I do hope that our proposal now to get one of the largest and best medical school, KMTC Nyamira, I do hope that in this last budget before we come for the election, God will give us favor. Watu wa Nyamira tukuje wote tupokee rais kwa hii miradi tumeanzia. Hii ni kionjo tu. Sasa hivi mnajua tuko na infrastructure fund, mnajua tuko na railway development levy fund. Watu hebu tujenge Kenya, and when we do our school down here, I will have been the first one in West Mugrango to realize the president's dream.
Toska bosio mwanchumo rigereria nigo obutuko bugokira rero ekanisa ya Brown East yegi Adventista inse ya conference ya Nyamira ward ya township nigo yaya kira egent bose nigo yaya weka koera hase ebintu byarengase kanise yo bye ebirango bichiba shilingi emilioni ya 5 byanyarko babiko ina koera korengana no mutendere bwe kanise yo nigo bono igati ebintu biri byarengase kanise yo ngamona makondo ebirogo ebintu byo koenekeria uburandi bwabo naboigo umurendi bwe kanise yo uyu outia amakweri hase erieta makorio yagi niganyarko ba gakwera busega kwera egakorekyo asanyarko ba ka koenekia buna nigo umuru nyarko ba gukubwata chinga kicho umurikito Steven Nyarikembunde naikira nasa yo Robert Roya Senchero bwikira
Samaliete ngoro kumakorio yagi njengolende kanise ya Brown East kara kyarenge kwa kyabe sana nanusu kyabo tuko okira rero nanyara konyora kero toreire nje no mwigone nanyara konyora liberera likomitira na eliokiri chire nyomba enai mukyo branget yo nabo tujenze munabwato umwana oyo twarengenero mwigone namateitwa east namo bisyo branget yo twebwete gakitu twarusie jabina wazoke isiko na okura akitango ntundu akitogonye akibarai akitogonye suwa tegaki akimarai tokonyo bonde mwenze gweta okonyo akiruneke bo yasa nero tokonyo etore moyo
nabo twanyoriro gwako konene twanyorira sare nene ekiagere step konyora twasukire nande nigo twiranire maega ebirogo abashirike bagwikaransera ebirogo byetanetie 150 byosipi nigo byahia nabo igo public system togotumeka ebwate bintu byonse nigo byayi byaera nasinye ncheye kaniseye ngotumekerera nchiga utensils byonsipi emetungi togotumeka buna tutagwati amachange gaiga emetungi egosomberwa amache itukoria Friday emetungi yonsipi nigo yahia nabo igo decorations togokora esinagogie pulpit yarorekana biya konyora abangina berure bagurire chirori chebitamba ibere chinya chitarakunurwa nabo igo ntubwate chinet togotekoreteria asaya na mauga ebi byonse pimbyahia amone esanduku ye tithe and offerings yonsi iyaya ige bintu byahia ebintu byayi bye kanisa kwa chumura amone nyomba nigo byetaneti emilioni yemo kuna tukunya gutabubuka kurumagega twachire konyora ngebintu byeito byasira nigo goikira bono igatwa barire twanyorire ebire emilioni na 500
nabara igatwanyora ebintu byose biguyete bikaera pi na cost yaye igere 1.5 million bono ekinda atebe bunumura nogo sorora bari no moyo muya bwogokonya
tobwati kende gyose kiratumeke ase kanisa ase igoto kuboria barai baitu bari bachorire bagotura abono na abandi bari bakurigia oburai otokubasorora asomo yogwanje nyasaba kune unari muisonde mwacha mugatosukia aso gotuchangira inde tugoro buri mogo na kugokoranga kanisa yagachi motokonye mosogi okoboko nyasaba kune mosogi okoboko mosire inde tonyore na tonyore kirogo na wanekemo abangira buna abachinguru cyare banyora sibo ikaransa baka bagotire banyora sibo ikaransa elinde ekanisa yonse ngima twiranirire ogosira buri bwo gosasima.
Togosikabusio mwancho murigaria togosona ya kubwatekana siasa nigo siasa chintindi chobo governor ase county ya Nyamira chiabetainsa ase kanisa ya Ikonge igi Adventiste kutoka ase bunge ya North Mugirango ase omugavana bwe county yo Amos Nyaribo aumirana ya mase mono yo kurigikerogo kyobo governor ase county yo Walter Chanwa ase nsemo ya Chanwa nigo bono yakera ekoko na komusaba omugavana Nyaribo amosire ase ganga yae ase omugavana Nyaribo nere aira ribagerio na kuboria abananchi nabo abarai ao komubwata siasa ntundende elindayenekerie abanyamira amagendero
Mama kabisa ono nende onali weta igana onali ngekinyoleki kodo wanga gaba nole maigana teba kushumi maiga makwa nyama na gaba nani kuma badeo akona makosi so kiamba tebi nganelimo na mheshimiwa gavana ninche olia oyomo kwa hiyo kwa ukali kale na njuri na ina tuma igana teba mo mwaka aende bosi tagoyo bono ingaki yaikire mheshimiwa ndoche gaiga ngaro na kwa kuwatsibya naende na mwanka ni tutubata na uchi bosigaya ekerowe kyo bwaba na nere ko mukere naende singi kyo bakongwaye ngo basaba ingona makaba nene na your excellency naye na kusabye kura ya wale obya na chara igale na sabye kura ya na sabye na bonsi kura tubata na ko gaya na mara bantu na bago gaya na takoyo ibinde torrent Washington chinguru chile fresh tubata na tokolendero bono senatora senyoka ya sare na injengo itanale inawe ke breakthrough ni dena kwa sene
amena ngo huyo bantu bangu nzo jamwa tomwano mitoka yaro deremta naro wame remoro chao tuwo obo MCA otu mmoja chumbe oja kuliwa wabana kama tazame no leo wote chikura chelo tumirama wewe kama cha ready by tutu njisa no mokorana mrengereria aitawata nichekwa kanongaleta sawa
togosikabusio mwancho murigaria habarai bensemberia yo kwamiria eserikali nigo bono bamochirie chibura buru hase emisangerekano ya gesiasa ase bamochirie serikali hase okomocha gotinya oborendi nigo baringe koenekia chinkwana chiaba asumo igabwe kanisa ase county ya Kajiado bakorwa no makonyi b'umurai w'ikiama gya Jubilee Fred Matiang'i nabo igo umurai w'ikiama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua.
People, we are talking to fellow Kenyans, moving around, talking to Kenyans. How is that a threat to national security? So that you are spending bullets, you are spending tear gas, you are spending police time on that kind of deploying police officers. To Konashida, people are being marked in the city every day. When we face this problem with Uhuru Kenyatta, that is how we came up with an all-women commando team that we were training to look at how you go into the supermarkets and everything, and now you try to trace pickpockets and create a certain sense of stability and peace in the urban areas so that people can go around doing business. That is what you should be spending your time on, because people don't feel safe, and if they don't feel safe, they cannot do business, they cannot go around their activities. How is Seki addressing a meeting in Kajiado a problem, a threat to the country? He's an elected leader, elected by the same Kajiado people. He's going to meet the same Kajiado people. You must, even if you have a weevil in your head, how would you spend time planning to disrupt a meeting an elected leader is having with his people?
Hii nchi, Dr. Matiang'i, I know you must be a very sad man, having been CS Interior, and looking at what is happening in the country. You must be a very sad public officer and a Kenyan. Ya kwamba hii nchi imekuwa a country of goonism.
Shida kubwa, na nimesikiza Bwana Murkomen akiongea. CS Murkomen, you said yesterday that goons are a threat to our national security. But today in Kajiado, we want to say that it is not so, Mr. Murkomen. It is you as a CS Interior with your PS Amolo, Raymond Omolo, and your boss, Bwana Ruto, and all of you who are at Harambee House, the office of the president, you are becoming an existential threat to our national security. Agreeing to let our police officers go into bed with goons, forming an unholy alliance between the police and goons. This is a threat to our national security. It is a threat to our democracy.
Much as you have ruined the country, we are reasonable enough to know that this is a country of the rule of law. And we are willing to wait for the next 14 months to remove you through the ballot. Don't create a situation where Kenyans will remove you from power.
Monagari webunge enene Mheshimiwa Moses Wetangula nerene chinga kecho niko bona mochire gakore kya baraibaga siasa gutumika basaya sokorenta chibura buru asemesangerekano au asebona sabire serikali ebeke omukia bokorenta obotoreru ekero ensi ya Kenya hegenete kuyarigania abusi obochorio bonene umwako wocha.
Sasa imeanza, kila mwanasiasa ako na milisha yake. Kila mwanasiasa ako na vijana na mipini na marungu na njora, wakienda kwa matanga hata hawajui nani amekufa, wanasimama tu hapo kupiga kelele, hata hawajui mwenye amefiwa anafikiria nini. Wako hapo tu wamelishwa pombe, wakiingia hapo mtu mmoja akizungumuza makofi hata hawamjui, mwingine akizungumuza nyamaza hata hawamjui. Hii lazima tukemee katika Kenya yetu. Na tuombee viongozi wetu wale wenye lugha chafu. Hata nyinyi ni majirani mnasikia, iko kijana moja governor hapa Trans Nzoia, hata akiongea kwa nursery school lazima ataje Papa wa Roma. Hata akiongea nini lazima anitusi. Nafikiri hata akifika nyumbani aambie bibi yake, darling turn this side, mama akisema hapana tusema ni Weta amefanya. Na hiyo siasa ya kutukana watu, na mimi kwa miaka 3 sijawahi kumjibu na sitamjibu. I will not bring him to my level or reduce myself to his level. Hata to be re-elected, watu wataangalia umefanya kazi gani. Watu wataangalia umetusi watu wangapi. Kama umefanya kazi watakurudisha. Kama wewe umekuwa unatusi watu, hata ibilisi na marafiki, watu watakwambia wewe sasa wacha tukupe nafasi uendelee kutusi watu, tutafute mfanye kazi. Kwa sababu sisi hatutaki kupatia watu uongozi tuseme bora kazi. Sisi tunataka kazi bora, sio bora kazi. Wale wa bora kazi ni wale wanasungumuza maneno mengi na hakuna kazi inafanya.
Marabense William Ruto wanekire buna nachi kubwaterana nabarai bechi kanisa eligo chagoikirania obarai obuya na magendra saba na inchi. Marabense nigaliko yakwana iga ase nyombenene yobarai ase omucho Nairobi asate abire ensemeyo nigo egoire goche ase abana inchi bonsi goikirana eligo sanganere ebirengerio buna barache gokonya ensi ya Kenya kwegendere.
Nataka niwahakikishie, najua kuna watu wanazunguka wanasema William Ruto hii, William Ruto ile. Hii jamii ya Korino, mimi nilianza na nyinyi, mulikuja kunitafuta, mimi nikawatafuta. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Tumetembea safari moja, si ni kweli? Katika safari yetu hatujaulizana wewe ni wa kabila gani, wewe ni kutoka jamii gani. Tumeungana hapa kwa sababu ndio mapenzi ya Mungu tufanye kazi pamoja. Si ni kweli? Na hivyo ndivyo itakavyokuwa. Wale watu wana dream ama wanaota ya kwamba watatugawanya. Kwanza mimi watanigawanya na marafiki ambao nimejenga urafiki na wao kwa muda mrefu, niwapatie habari mapema, hawatafaulu na watapotea. They will not succeed. Tunaelewana jameni? Na wawache kiburi mingi, na wawache madharau, na wawache matusi. Hii State House ni ya Wakenya wote. Ni ya wale wengi na pia ni ya wale wachache. Unajua watu wengi wamesumbuka sana na vile nimealika watu wakuje State House. Mwingine alikuja hapa akasema, wewe rais umeshukisha, hii State House imekuja chini sana. Watu wale reja wanakuja hapa. Hapa inatakana marais, balozi, sijui na nani, wadosi, wale watu wana pesa. Lakini nimewaeleza sio ya kwamba nimeshukisha State House kuja chini. Hapana, nimeinua wananchi wakakuja juu ndio wafike hapa State House. Ama namna gani jameni? Si ndio? Yes. Na watakuja kuzoea. Wacha wapige kelele kidogo. Kwa sababu hawajazoea. Watazoea kwamba hii State House ni ya Wakenya wote. Wale wako na nini watafika, wale hawana watafika. Kwa sababu hii ni nyumba ya taifa letu la Kenya, na kila Mkenya akipata nafasi atembee hapa asiulizwe maswali na mtu yeyote.
Ensi ya Kenya nigo yabikire emiroberio yo goche kubwaterana ase sector au nensi ya India ayankolengana no muwaziri monene Musalia Mudavadi oyibo igoro muwaziri otendete wizara ya mang'ana echinse chisiko asate bire sector ya uchumi, sector ya obonchororia, obochenu, obosombi negati yari ase chinkwana egati yo kubwaterana wechinse chibire.
All I want to say is that we value our partnership. Not too long ago, I was in India, and there was this very big world-known convergence of ideas, India's critical think tank, the Raisina. And I had the opportunity to meet with Prime Minister Modi and also have a bilateral conversation with the Foreign Minister, Jaishankar. And we talked about so many things. And one of the things that we now want to pursue after the conversation, the Minister Jaishankar said that perhaps it's time that Kenya and India went a notch higher and discuss a free trade agreement. Because we've been cooperating, now we have conversations of a trade agreement with the European Union, a trade agreement with the CEPA, with the United Arab Emirates. We are now talking of a bilateral trade agreement with the United States. We have the preferential trade agreement with China, with Africa under the FOCAC arrangement. And it is now time that we can have a conversation. In fact, it's long overdue to have a financial trade agreement with India so that we can amplify the trade and long-standing ties we have had between our two nations. So this is one of the things we hope to pursue and to reassure you that your contribution, your support to the economy, well-being, job creation, investment, technology transfer in this country is absolutely critical.
Very encouraged and happy to see the representation at the highest levels from the Kenyan government on such an important occasion none other than Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary of Foreign Affairs and Diaspora Affairs among us on this very, very auspicious occasion. Excellency, we value the support and patronage of the Government of Kenya to allow the Indian community, the Indian Kenyan community to further its traditions and customs. And I must tell you that they are maintaining the Indian traditions and customs in a beautiful way. I think what you see today, I think there is no better way than to preserve our culture, traditions and customs. And we are really, really appreciative of the Government of Kenya for allowing them to do so, for assimilating within the society of Kenya and for being a part of the cultural fabric.
Mancho murigaria wikiragwo no toika omwerio hasoko kumanyaria enekiwe ase ritukeriga yene mesa ya mayakuru ensoko chinsa isato asobo tukobega bwe 12 motinyo kanu mwako yiga bwe chirubere 29 ne mono gusaba kwaninga gwesemire onsi ari enekiwe ase ritukeriga nyasaye kawanchanande tumera na ritukoria ankyo ase emesa ya mayakuru ensoko tunyara kubatoko gendra gosemia ukumanya na gokogokia buna gutwikira iga ase nyumba yaito yoburaria iga somo cho Nairobi nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi Kelvin na Barnabas na batu abwatira na kuru ase studio ya kabere kwenekia marigune chibichango chara ase nchirengi yabona nachika ukumanya na ikaranseta ase libagarie barongo yane Frida Kirubo oyore ase omutumoka ke atarirana mokomorra angagwa ase chituka busongo mutwera matoka sobunge anyara koba gakoretana ase nsemega tumirana sembe onya saika wancha chenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi.